Did you know that something as simple as garlic could protect your plants from harm without a single drop of chemical spray? It sounds strange, but rubbing fresh garlic on your plant's stem can completely change what happens next in your garden. Watch until the end because the result might surprise you. Here's how it works. Garlic is packed with natural sulfur compounds, especially allicin, which act as a powerful antifungal and antibacterial shield. These compounds also confuse garden pests with their strong smell, making your plant far less appealing to insects like aphids, mealybugs, and even spider mites. To use it, simply peel a fresh garlic clove and cut it in half. Now, gently rub the cut side of the clove directly onto the lower part of your plant's stem. Choose healthy, established plants. This works especially well for tomatoes, peppers, eggplants, and even roses. Do this in the early morning or late afternoon to avoid sunburn on tender stems. You can repeat this every 7 to 10 days or after heavy rain. And always test on one plant before applying widely, especially with younger seedlings. Within days, you may notice fewer pest visits, stronger stems, and better overall plant health. Nature always has a way, and sometimes it's hidden in the smallest cloves. If you found this tip helpful, give it a try in your garden. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple natural gardening ideas. See you in the next one.